Hello again. I'm supposed to be doing laundry, but I decided against it. Ordinary people, John Legend. Girl, I'm in love with you. This ain't the honeymoon. Past the infatuation phase, yeah. Right in the thick of love. At times we get sick of love. It seems like we argue every day. I know I've misbehaved and you made your mistakes, and we both still got room left to grow. Although love sometimes hurts, I still put you first, and we'll make this thing work. But I think we should take it slow. We're just ordinary people, and we don't know which way to go. Because we're ordinary people, maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow. Oh, oh. This time we'll take it slow. Take it slow. Maybe we'll live and learn. Maybe we'll crash and burn. Maybe you'll stay. Maybe you'll leave. Maybe you'll return. Maybe another fight. Maybe we won't survive, but maybe we'll grow. You never know, baby. You and I, we're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go. Because we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow. Oh, oh, yeah. This time we'll take it slow. Take it slow. Oh, this time we'll take it slow. Oh, yeah, yeah.